Explorers and Gators. Today we're going to do a math jellyfish activity and I'll be showing you step by step how to make it. How exciting! First, you will need crayons. You will need sometimes markers if you want to use them, if you have some at home. You'll need a glue stick and you will need some scissors, but you need to have an adult there with you to help you cut or an older sibling. And you will need to choose 3 different types of color paper. For me, I chose blue for my background, purple, and pink for my jellyfish parts. Here we go. So first, you will grab the purple color, fold it in half, and cut it, just like this one. Afterwards, you are going to grab your scissors, and you are going to make a half circle. Just like this, half circle, and this will be your jellyfish head. Once you do, you grab your background color and you grab your glue stick and you are going to glue it all the way. So for example, grab my glue stick, I add a little bit of glue, make sure that it sticks. When I'm done, I flip it over and I add it to my jellyfish. But leave a little part for here so you can add the legs. Now, let's put this aside. We grab the pink color, you fold it in half, then we make, with the scissors, we grab and we make silly lines like this. Just like this, you make silly lines and you make 8 or 10, depending on how many do you want. Once you're done cutting all your jellyfish parts, all at once, you are going to grab your paper. Don't forget, you're going to grab your paper, you are going to grab your jellyfish parts, and you are going to glue them. Just like this. You glue your jellyfish parts and you glue all of them until how many do you want. And you keep on going. They can be long, they can be short, they can be any size that you like. You keep adding all your jellyfish parts. For me, I'm gluing all of them. Oopsie. And sometimes when they're too long, what you can do is grab it and just cut it if you like. After, you're going to keep gluing. So right now I have four jellyfish legs, but I want more. So 5. 6. 7. You can do more than 7, but Mr. Troy is going to do 7. Then afterwards, it looks something like this. Here we go. We put our scissors. You can either grab a black crayon or grab a black marker. What you're going to do is that you are going to write the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But if you have more tentacles, you can. So now, you choose whatever color you want. Next, we are going to add a happy face, or we're going to draw our eyes. And we can't forget our happy face. Can't forget our happy face. Oh man, our eyes look very silly, huh? So I'm going to grab my black crayon and color it So it can look like this. But I can be more creative, and if I wanted to add a hair, we can add hair, or we can add a bow. Mr. Cho is adding a bow. But it's up to you if you want to add it. Here we go. After we're done and we label each one and we made 2 eyes and in a happy face, you can either add a nose and you can even add anything else. So now you grab your favorite color, and where it says 1, you are going to draw 1 dot. How many dots? Just 1. And for number 2, we draw how many? 2 dots. So 1, 2. Do I draw more than 2 dots? Probably not. So I keep going and I grab another color and I do 3 dots. 1, 2, 3 dots. Then I keep going and I add, now we're going to add 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. And we keep on adding 5, 6, and 7. And you keep on adding and using the colors that you want to use. For me, I'm going to use pink, 3, 4, 5. Now I keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man, that was a lot of dots. Now my last number is number 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. Just like that. Great job. Now that we finish doing our jellyfish, we can either add some fishes or some bubbles around, because jellyfish live in the sea. We can even add some seaweed. You can color the seaweed like grass. And you can even add any more details. But this is how we make our jellyfish. We finished doing our jellyfish and it looks something like this. Man, we can add even more things to it. Now, once you're done doing this craft, you can leave a comment to tell me how you like it or the things that you added to your jellyfish. Bye, Gators. Bye, Toros.